Good morning everyone. My name is Fatima from Global Media World. Today's first news is farmers cause commuters pause. A protest was organized by the Prahar organization under the leadership of Bachchu Kadu at Kranti Chowk on Thursday, demanding loan waivers for farmers due to the agitation. Traffic heading towards Kranti Chowk from Jana Road was diverted from Seven Hills towards Gajanath Maharaj Mandir, leading to a traffic jam on this stretch. Now the second news is Prahar reliefs for riots. Prahar leader Bachchu Kadu addresses a large gathering of supporters during a Rasta Roko agitation at Kranti Chowk on Thursday. The protest was organized to press for urgent demands of farmers including loan waivers and other agrarian issues. The steel brought traffic to a standstill on key routes for 45 minutes.
The last news is gold losses glitter on auspicious Guru Pushyam Ruth Muhurat. Silver prices remain stable at 1.14 lakh per kilogram. On the occasion of Ashadi Amavasya, the evening brought the Guru Pushyam Ruth Muhurat, but contrary to expectations, gold prices failed to shine. Notably, this is the first time in the past 5 years that gold prices dropped on the auspicious Muhurat. A rare alignment occurred on Thursday. The convergence of Amavasya and the Guru Pushyam Ruth Yoga Amavasya began at 2:28 am on Wednesday night and lasted until 12:40 am on Thursday night. The Guru Pushyam Ruth Yoga began at 4:43 pm on Thursday. After that, there was noticeable activity in the market as customers flocked to purchase gold. Gold drops by rupees 2,000. Gold was initially priced at rupees 1,50,000 per gram. On Thursday, it was expected that the price would rise during the Guru Pushyam Ruth Muhurat, but things turned out differently. By afternoon, the price had dropped by rupees 1,300 and by evening, it dipped another rupees 700, resulting in a total drop of 2,000 in a single day. During the Muhurat, gold was being sold at rupees 98,500 per 10 grams. Meanwhile, silver prices remained stable at 1.14 lakh per kilogram. Due to rupees 2,000 price drop, customer enthusiasm increased, according to trader Giridhar Jalanawala. Auspicious alignment. The combination of Guru Pushya Yoga and Amavasya is considered highly auspicious. Actions undertaken during these times are believed to be fruitful results. This rare Amrut Yoga appeared on Thursday, while there is a long-held belief that no new purchases should be made on Amavasya. Guru Mahesh Sevalikar explained that Amavasya itself is not inauspicious. Lamp worship in every home to mark the end of the darkness of Ashadi Amavasya and to welcome light and brightness. Lamp worship, Deep Pujan, was performed in households on Thursday. Lamps and oil lamps were lit in front of the home